Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing Algebra with me, Feromi Ajayi. First Edo, welcome back to First Edo. So for this lesson you will need a piece of paper, book or a jotter, a pen or a pencil, rubber or eraser is the same thing, or maybe a calculator, but I don't think you really need a calculator for this lesson. So these are the objective, but we are only going to do the first objective because we are just going to be going step by step until we finish Algebra. So the first lesson, our objective for today is state the coefficients of an algebraic term. So this one will follow later. And this is the definition of algebra. Algebra is the study of mathematical symbols and the rules for manipulating these symbols. It is an unifying thread of almost all the mathematics. That is what algebra is. Let me explain more. Algebra is like a famous, like an important topic in math that you might come across when you go to secondary school, high school, and other stuff. So it's an important topic in math. So you have to do this now from the last lesson, fraction and percentage. So please pause the video and answer these questions. Okay, so good job guys, let's do this together. So these are the answer. The first question was express 4 whole number 5/6 as an improper fraction. So last time I said improper fractions, they are like common fractions, like fractions that are not improper. For example, 6/5. 6 is bigger than 5, so that is an improper fraction. So this question, they said the question is actually a mixed number. 4 whole number 5/6 expresses as an improper fraction. So to do that, you have to do I'm coming guys, let me just write this. Coming. So the question is, so guys, I'm back because I had to attend to my little sister. She was crying. So anyways, let's go back to the way last time. As I was saying, 29/6. So you have to look for a number. For example, let's see, 6 times 6 times 2 is 12, so that can't be something like 29. 6 times 3, 24. 6 times 5 is what? 30. So it will be 24. 6 times 4, that's 24 because it's near 29. So 24, what can you do to get like 29 from 24? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 remains 5. So that's going to be, the answer here is going to be 4 whole number. The answer is going to be 4 whole number 5/6. So if you got 4 whole number 5/6, that's your answer. Let's clean up that please. So the answer there, I'm just going to write that really good so you can just see that very well. So it's going to be 4 whole number 5/6. So okay, that one is 4 5/6. 4 whole number 5/6. I think I'm going to be writing the answer here so you guys can actually see clearly. 5/6, that's the first one. So if you got that good for you, we have to erase that and do the next one. Okay, so the next one. The next one is 2 on number 3 over 8. 2 on number 3 over 8. So we also have to find that. We have to find that into improper fraction. So we have to get that to improper fraction. So tell me how to do that, please. Good job, good. Yeah, good job. So to do that, let's first write it right here. That. So to do that, you have to do 8 times 2 is what? 16. 16 plus 3, 17, 18, 19. So that is going to be 19 over 8. If you got that, good for you. So the first one is equals to 4 or number 5 over 6. The second one is 19 over 8. 19 over 8. So I'm going to write that clearly so that you guys can really see it well. So this one is equals to 19 over 8. The next question. The next one. The next one is write 1/3. Write 1/3 in figure. Sorry, I wrote is. I'm supposed to write in. That was a mistake. Write 1/3 in figure. I told you guys last time that 1/3 is equals to 1/3 is equals to I'm sorry guys. 1/3 in figure is going to be 1. That's it. 1/3. That's 1/3 in figure. 1/3. And I guess the other one was write 3/5. Yeah, 3/5 in figure. That's it. I'm going to show you. Write 4/9 in figure. So 3/5, that's 3/5. 4/9, that's it. So the next question says, express 2 whole number 13 over 100 as improper fraction. It means improper fraction. I told you earlier that is the bigger one down. So the bigger one is up and the small one is down. That's improper because it's not in the right position. So they said. So that's the answer. 313 over 100. So I'm going to show you how we get that. And okay. Oh my god. I just did a mistake right now. I just showed you. I just misplaced that back. This was actually the question earlier for this number 2. They said express 18 over 8 as a mixed number. So that's the answer. Oh my god. That was the answer. And I just expressed it back. So you can do that if you want to be very sure of the answer. So to do that, I wanted to explain you guys that. And that question was what? That question was 2 on number 13 over 100. 2 on number 13 over 100. That's 2 on number 13 over 100. So to find that, you have to do 100 times 2 is what? 100 times 2 is what? 200. I'm sorry, what? 200. 100 times 2 is 200. Easier. Okay, 200. 200 times 13. That will be 200 and that. So the answer there is, that's it there. That's the answer there. You guys might think that's 4, but that's 213. So those are the answers. I just explained it better, but these are the answers. So you guys to see clearly. These are the answers. The first one is 29. So you just mark it. You can pause the video to see the answer and mark it. So good girls, good girls and good boys. Well done. So let's move through straight to today's topic, which is coefficients. So I told you guys to note this down. Please, can you just write this in your notes and please pause the video and just copy this down. When you are done, resume the video. Good girls, good boys. So as you wrote this down already, so I'm just going to explain it. 5x is the same thing as 5 times x, and that is equals to 5x. If you see that, if they see any word problem or anything and they say find this, if they give you 5 times another letter, 5 times y, 5 times x, is equals to 5x. And the next one is y over 5. Y over 5 is equals to, it's the same thing as y divided by 5. That's it. It's the same thing as that. That one is really easy, so you should just know that before. And coefficients in arithmetic, 3 multiply 4 is also 4 plus 4 plus 4. For example, if I write 5 multiply in arithmetic, 5 multiply 3 is also equals to 5 plus 3 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. That's this in arithmetic. And the next one, similarly in algebra, 3 multiply a is also 3a, and you say this as 3a. Please repeat after me, 3a. So let's move to the next one. Examples. So as I said earlier, the topic we are doing today is coefficient. That's a bit easy, but we keep moving from easy to hard stage. So we are just in easy stage. Now we are just going to add the stage, and hard stage is the word problem. And me too, I'm learning from all this. So let's just go. Example 1a. Example 1. In 7y, y is the coefficient of 7. 7 is the coefficient of y. That's it. So 7 y's has been added together. Let me show you that. So in 7, if they ask you, find that like the coefficient of 7y. So 7 is the coefficient of y because 7y plus y, like that, still 7 like that. That's why they wrote it. But it's easy to just write 7y, 7 times y. It can be y plus 7, or you write y to 7, or you can write 7 times y. And so the next one will be, this is another example. In x, there is only 1. I'm going to tell you guys this thing, that at the front of x, if you see x, there is one invisible one at the back, at the front, but you can't see it. So if for example, if they give you if in math and they give you x plus x, the answer is 2x, because 1 year, that's equals to 2x. You guys, I'm back. And that's the answer. If they give you x plus x, the answer is 2x, because there is one invisible at the back, but no one can see it in mathematics. Okay, So let's look at the example. In x, there is only one x. X is the same as 1x, as I just said right now earlier. X is the same as 1x. The coefficient of x is 1. So if they tell you find the coefficient of x, so the coefficient of x is 1 because there is one invisible one at the back of the x. So let's just be quick. Coefficients are not always whole numbers. They can also be fraction. And in arithmetic, 1/3 multiply 12 or 12/3 is a short way of writing 1/3 of is multiplication of 12 or 12 divided by 3. In algebra, 1/3a or 3a, as I told you, there is 1 at the back of that a, so it's also the same thing as writing 1/3a, or it can also be a/3. That's it. Let me write it clearly because of this at the division. I have a/3 or 1/3a. They are totally the same thing. I'm writing totally the same thing. It's the same thing because there is one at the front of this. So it's just the same thing, and that's what is written here too. Okay, a short ways of writing 1/3. A short ways of writing 1/3 times a, because half is a. 1/3, that's 3 a, or as I said, a/3. In expression, 1/3a is equals to a/3. I said that. So the coefficient of a is a/3 is also 1/. So the coefficient of that is 1/3. That's the coefficient of that. So coefficient example 2. A in 3/4x. 3/4 is the coefficient of x. B in 2a/3, which is also 2/3a. 2/3 is the coefficient of a. Since 2a divided by 3 is equals to 2, as I said earlier, that 2/3 is also the same thing as 2/3a. C in z/5, because 1 is at the front of the z, is equals to 1/5 is the coefficient of z. So guys, please try this. Pause the video to do this activity. Please do 1 to 7, and when you're done, please unpause the video. Thank you. So guys, well done. Let's move to the next one. Well done, guys. So these are the answer for the activity I just gave you right now, and these are the answer. 3. The first question was, what is the coefficient of x in each of the following? Okay, so the first question was 3x, and the coefficient of that one was 3 because you find the coefficient of the x in each of the questions. So the coefficient of number 1 is 3. If you got that right, well done. Number 2, 7x is the same thing as number 1. Their coefficient is 7. This is easy stage. Then we'll now move to our stage. Then number 3, 15 is the coefficient of 15x. 1/4 is the coefficient. 1/4x is the coefficient of 1/4. 2/3x is the coefficient of 2/3. X/10, I told you that there is 1 at the back of the x, which is also the same thing as 1/10 x. So it's equals to 1/10. And the seventh one, 3x/5 is also the same thing as 3/5x. So the coefficient of that is 3/5. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe if you want to, and give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you for watching, and bye. See you in the next video. Might be doing science. Thank you. Bye.